Hey, so today you're going to kind of have a fun project to work on. You're going to make a similar triangles poster and hopefully review everything that we learned prior to spring break. I hope you had a wonderful spring break. Sorry I couldn't be there today. I'm at the doctor. All right, so I'm going to kind of model how this is going to look for you. Basically, let me step ahead and tell you exactly what's going to be required on the poster. So you're going to choose one of the problems on the worksheet to make a poster. You have to copy the word problem and draw a picture of the similar triangles described in the word problem. You're going to label all of the sides, and you're going to set up a proportion and solve for the unknown value, showing all of your work, of course. And then you're going to write your answer as a complete sentence and make sure it answers all the questions of the problem. It's a total of 100 points. It's due before you leave. I'm going to show you at least 5 model problems of how it should look. And then when you're done with that, you're going to use the rest of the time to complete your IXLs. And these are the IXLs. You're looking at your test in a couple of days. So make sure you're using this time wisely, practicing for the test. All right, so this is a statue honoring Kobe Bryant, and it can be found in Los Angeles near the Staples Center. So we're going to use the information below to determine the unknown height of the statue. So one thing, I've copied the word problem for my poster. I've drawn a picture of Kobe, or cut and pasted one actually. And then I've drawn a picture of my similar triangles. So this is somebody's looking at apparently a mirror, and the mirror is reflecting an image, and this right here is the Kobe Bryant statue that I'm trying to figure out how tall he is. And so basically I'm just going to use this information to set up a proportion. So I can see my height over the shadow, or the distance from the mirror in this case. So it's going to be 1.8 over 2.4, and then it's going to be equal to Kobe Bryant's statue's height, which is x, over 4. Okay, and then we're just going to simply cross multiply, so you get 2.4x and then equals 1.8 times 4. You multiply 1.8 times 4, you get 7.2. Divide that by 2.4, and you end up with x equaling 3. And so what can I conclude by this is that Kobe Bryant's statue is about 3 meters tall. And you would write a complete sentence that says, the statue for Kobe Bryant, I don't know why I always say Kobe O'Bryant. Kobe Bryant can be found in Los Angeles, is about 3 meters tall. Okay. Another example is if we have triangles EFG and QRS, they're similar. The length of, okay, so I'm going to draw my triangles here. E, F, and G, and then QRS, Q. Remember Q and R and S. So E, the lengths of the sides of E, F, and G are, I'm just going to write them in, 144, 128, and 112. So this is the smallest side here, and the smallest side of QRS is 280. All right, so we want the length of the longest side. The longest side over here is here. So I'm going to have to mark this the longest side because it matches the longest side here. So now I just set up my proportion again. So this is the short side, this is the long side. So it'll be 112 over 144 equals, again, short side over long side, 280 over x. And then I would cross multiply and divide. When you cross multiply 144 and 280 and then divide by 112, you end up with x equaling 360. So if I were to write my complete sentence, I would say that the length of the longest side of QRS is 360. There are no units, so I don't need any units in my answer. And that would give me a full 100 on the assignment. All right, so I've got this girl. She's 160 centimeters tall, so I'm just going to draw the girl here. There we go. She stands 360 from a lamppost, so here's my lamppost. Okay. At night, and her shadow from the light is here. So this is the girl's shadow. It's 90 centimeters tall, and I want to know how tall is the lamppost. At this 360, is the whole distance of the lamppost shadow. All right, so I'm going to have to set up my proportion again, and what I'm looking for is how tall the lamppost is. So once again, I'm going to put the girl's height over her shadow, and that's going to equal the lamppost height over its shadow. And this is just a simple proportion that I'm going to set up. You're going to multiply 160 times 360 and then divide by. I cross multiplied and divided. I got that x is equal to 640. And remember, this is in centimeters, so that makes sense that the lamppost would be 640 centimeters tall if you think of how big a centimeter is. And so a complete sentence would be something like, the lamppost is 640 centimeters tall. All right, another example, I have these two triangles. All right. This is IJK. Again, I'm drawing the picture like I have to. TUV. Okay. So the lengths of the sides are 40, 50, and 24. And then the length of the longest side of TUV is, well, it's got to match up with the longest side. So this is the longest side. So it's going to be over here, 275. And I want to know what is the perimeter. So be careful on this one. This is a little bit different. I want the perimeter of this triangle. So that means I have to find out both this side and this side. Okay. So let's, so you're going to set up a proportion to find the smallest side here and the middle side here. Always using 50 over 275. That's as far as I'm going to solve this one because somebody has a problem very similar to it if that's the one you choose. All right, here we go. Here's another problem. And then again, of course, you're going to find the perimeter by adding up all three sides. All right, a man 6 feet tall, so I'm going to draw a 6 foot tall man. He casts a shadow 11 feet long. So this is 11, this is 6. And a building, so then you're going to draw a building. And again, this is very similar to a problem that somebody has as well, so I'm not going to solve it. I'm just going to show you how to set it up. Is casting a shadow of 139 feet. Okay, and we want to know the height of the building. Well, remember, you can make the triangle like this, right? So this is the height of the building is going to be proportional to the height of the person over the height of the shadow. So it'd be 6 over 11 equals x over 139. And then you're going to cross multiply and divide. All right, so let's go over that criteria for success again. Again, you need to copy the word problem and draw a picture on the poster. It's just a blank piece of paper. Label all of the sides, set up your proportion and solve for the unknown value. Show all of your work. Write your answer as a complete sentence. Make sure it answers the question to the problem. It's a total of 100 points. Okay, and when you finished your poster, you may complete IXL for this module, A1, P4, P7, and P10. All right, if you have any questions, please ask, and somebody will help you out.